Okay, so in this store application, we're going to make customer orders, and there's not much to a customer order. It's really just got a number. So we'll create table customer order. You can't usually use the name order on its own because that's a reserved keyword in SQL. So I can't call this order. So this has got an ID, which is an integer, and that's the primary key. And in this particular application, we've got a field called status, and that can be our varchar 10, and that's going to tell us what state the order is in. And the states will have, well, there's a whole range of them, but basically we can have things like, let's have a go. So insert into cust order values. So our first order has 101, and that has status. It's not ready. This is being prepared. The customer is still filling it in. So this is incomplete. Incomplete, that means customer is adding to this. So this is when it shows up in the kiosk and the customer is just adding things. While that's happening, it's incomplete. Our next status is waiting. So at the waiting stage, the customer has clicked on confirm, and we're waiting now. We're waiting for a warehouse worker to pick up the order. Has not been assigned to a worker. Okay, let's have a couple of those, but we better give them different numbers. So this can be number 2 is waiting and number 3 is waiting. Actually, I'm doing these in the wrong order. Doesn't matter. So that's 3. What other states can we have? So this is processing, is being not collected, is being assembled. So this is where a worker in the warehouse, this is the processing stage, and he's going around the shelves and he is putting things in a trolley. He or she, of course. And then ready for collection is the next stage. So let's make that one. We'll have one at 5, and this one is ready. Okay, ready for collection. And after it's been collected, it could be deleted, or we could just set its status to complete. So the final stage is complete, and that shouldn't show up anywhere. This is just for our records. It's been collected. By the customer, and it's not our concern anymore. Okay, so at any stage we'll have a number of orders in each of these stages. So let's just see if that works. So I'm going to go back into SQLite, and I think I've probably already created this one, so I'm going to precede that with drop table. So I'm going to drop table cust order, because I think I've been through this once already. Let me copy that, click, and then right click. Yep, I had. And now I can create and insert. Okay, so select start from cust order. Yep. Okay, so those are my orders. The orders actually will really contain things. So the thing they contain, say customer, this order here contains, let's say someone's buying 2 yogas. So we'll keep those details in a table called order line. So create table order line, and an order line references the order table. So it'll have a cust order reference. So that'll be an integer, and that's a foreign key. It references cust order ID. It'll also have a product, and that is also an integer, and that is a foreign key which references the product table. And finally we'll have a quantity, and that's an insert, and that's how many you want of it. And our primary key on this is composite, so that'll be cust, order, and product. So that should make for primary key. So let's just make one proper order. So we will say that, let's pick a ready order. So let's say insert into order line. So I'm going to pick that order 105. So order 105. That's a computer, 112233, and the customer wants one of those. And that customer also wants a big monitor to go with their laptop. Okay, so that's the computer, and this will be the laptop. Sorry, one's a laptop and the other's a screen. So that one is the screen. Yep, there it is, our screen monitor. So we've got one proper order. Let's just check that that works. Copy that and paste it in. Didn't like that. Foreign key. Looks like the foreign key syntax is a little bit different. Well, it's an option. So that's primary key is that, and let's put in foreign key cast order, references that, and oh, hadn't noticed, but I've got another one. I've got another foreign key because product references product. That makes more sense. Okay, let's try that again. Copy that and paste it in. Still doesn't like it. Okay, what have I done wrong? Oh, here we go. Got two of them in there. I did remember that second one. Save that and try it again. Copy that and paste it. Ah, that's better. Okay, and let's put two values in. Okay, insert into, it's not value, it's values. Okay, copy and paste. Lovely. Okay, I like to be able to run these, so I've got drop table customer, drop table product. You can only drop these if there's no foreign key, so I'll have to drop table order line before I do either of the others. So let's do that. Drop table order line. Save that and see if I can run this from the command line. Nope, didn't mean that, I meant .quit. Okay, so let's take that from make table. Okay, that seemed to work. Excellent. So we've got a database with 3 tables so far. We've got customer orders, we've got products, and we've got order lines. Let's see if we can use some Python to get that data out.